Hey guys, I'm Garros. So let's wrap it up for today's session. That I already gave you two major concepts of Buddhism today that you can take home tonight, which is everything is interconnected, and second, the world is impermanent. So these two things are main key concept that forms the understanding of Buddhism in throughout the history. So if you could understand those two, then may help you to look at the actual understanding of Buddhism more solid way, in a sense that I can guarantee you. If you are non-Buddhist or pro-Buddhist, or you don't really never been exposed to teaching of the understanding of Buddhism, which is totally fine, and you don't have to be. I'm not here to um, do any, how to say, in enforcing you to being a Buddhist. Of course, that is not the purpose of this course at all. The purpose of this course is to know the concept of Buddhism throughout the history, and I'll just giving you the very simple, straightforward English terminology, say impermanence and interconnectedness. Those two are the two keys of the Buddhism. Not all of it, but today let me are going to introduce to you to think about it in more in depth and more relating to your personal situation, personal life, and in current situation that we all have. You know, I'm really glad that I have this chance to share these ideas with you guys. And hopefully I can make some sense out of it to you. Hopefully that's the connection that I can pass it out from one to another, from this person to you guys. So if that happens, that shows is there's interconnectivity from between among us, and that's quite amazing thing if that happens. So communication is the one way to we can look at our connectiveness of human being from one to another, from yourself to others, from yourself to the world, from your consciousness to others' consciousness. And it all related, and it fluctuated from one to another. My understanding of some certain things, certain experience can influence by this sound of vibration and this image of this video transaction throughout this internet, and will get to you, and you observe it, you hear it, and you saw me, and then you observe it and you put into you that puzzle into your own experience and make sense to out of it. And that's the beauty of this universe, beauty of this the way the nature is functioning. And it all happened because nothing is permanent. I am not permanent. You are not permanent. You are willing to accept. You are willing to hear things, and I'm willing to also willing to put myself into someone else's shoes. Someone who are younger generations, or someone who are older generations, that or different backgrounds, different cultural background, different language backgrounds, and we are all constantly evolving, constantly changing, and constantly interconnected to live together. And that if you understand that in very subtle way in your mind, to appreciate that those changes, those connections, and you will go deeper and deeper into your own understanding of who you are eventually. And that actually helping you to develop your own capacity to being more acceptable person, more flexible person, in a sense, more capacity to embrace others. And then ultimately that will leading you to a successful person, in a sense. Success in a sense that the society that needs you to be who you are. You can be who you are, be yourself, and you can contributing your experience, your knowledge, your thoughts to others. And I wish you all can be that person from now on, from this point. No matter what you do, no matter how you make a living, no matter what is your dream, what is your goal, everyone is different. Everyone have different ability, capacity, knowledges, backgrounds. But we all can share each other, and we all can give each other the best we can. And that's how we make the world better. That's how you can get better in future. So I again I'm pray for all beings at this point, and especially focusing on to you guys, and pray for your own well-beings every single day, and wish you can learn and always not to stop learning from every single experience that you come across, even it's positive or negative, that you take it and you readjust it, shaping it, and to make sense to you. Anything you have, if you can do that, and you will continuously evolving, continuously growing, and then you will build your own character in that sense, and that things no one can take away from you. You're going to continuously build your own character, attitude, and then you're going to use it. You're going to use it to others. The way you react to others will be different every single day, every single moment. You are changing to being a better person, to be a good person, and then you know how to helping others in proper way, and that is the key. That is the key of the learning all this religion, learning Buddhism, and put into your own cultural background, religious background, adapt yourself. If you're Christian, adapt yourself into that. If you're Muslim, you adapt yourself into that. And flourish your own religious belief. And you can expanding your consciousness, you're expanding your limitation, and it will be limitless. I'm telling you. So that will be it for today, and I shall see you in another week. Make sure you follow that midterm requirement at the first video clip. If you remember, let me repeat. You either simple way ask questions, or if you're a little bit shy to ask questions, you write your own story. If you're even shy to write your own story, you read that what I gave you, the Heart Sutra, attach it with the email. Just pick any chapters, just read it, and just write a simple journal entry that how you receive that. And I think I gave you enough option, so you can pick whichever you like. And I don't think that will make too much burden on you at this hard time. And still you will fulfill the requirements of this course and get credit later on. So good luck to you guys, and I shall see you in a week. Thank you very much.